Finance, Your Ticket to Freedom, written by Suze Orman. Hey everyone, let's talk about money. I know, it can be a scary topic, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. Understanding finance is like having a secret weapon, a key that unlocks doors to your dreams. Whether it's buying a dream home, traveling the world, or retiring early, mastering your finances gives you the power to make it happen. We're going to break down this big, sometimes intimidating world of finance into bite-sized pieces. No jargon, no complicated formulas, just simple explanations that everyone can understand. Ready to take charge of your financial future? Let's do this! What is finance anyway? It's easier than you think. Finance is simply the art of managing money. It's about making smart choices with your hard-earned cash so it can grow and work for you, not the other way around. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and watch it blossom into something beautiful. That's what finance does for your money. Every decision you make about money, from buying groceries to investing in stocks, falls under the umbrella of finance. By understanding the basics, you can make informed decisions that help you achieve your financial goals, big or small. Remember, you don't need to be a math whiz or a Wall Street expert to master your finances. It's about having the right knowledge and the willingness to learn. And guess what? You're already on your way. The 4 pillars of finance, your roadmap to success. Think of finance like a house. It needs strong pillars to stand tall, right? Well, finance has 4 main pillars: corporate finance, investments, financial institutions, and international finance. Let's break it down. Corporate finance. This focuses on how companies manage their money. It's about deciding which projects to fund, how to raise capital, and how to make sure the business is profitable. Investments. This pillar is all about growing your money. It involves choosing the right investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, or real estate to achieve your financial goals. Financial institutions. These are the players in the financial world, like banks, insurance companies, and credit unions. They provide services that help individuals and businesses manage their money. International finance. This area deals with the complexities of managing money across borders. Think exchange rates, global investments, and international trade. Understanding these 4 pillars gives you a solid foundation in finance, no matter your background or aspirations. Building a business, picking the right outfit matters. Starting a business is exciting, but before you jump in, you need to choose the right business structure. It's like picking the right outfit. It needs to fit your style and goals. There are 3 main types. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest form. You are the business owner, and your personal and business liabilities are intertwined. Partnership. 2 or more people join forces. It's crucial to have a clear partnership agreement outlining each person's responsibilities and liabilities. Corporation. This structure creates a separate legal entity, shielding your personal assets from business liabilities. However, it involves more complex regulations and tax requirements. Choosing the right structure is crucial for legal protection, tax efficiency, and your overall business success. Seek advice from a professional to determine the best fit for your unique situation. Profits versus wealth. Aiming for the long haul. Don't get me wrong, profits are important. But when it comes to your personal finances, focusing solely on short-term profits can be short-sighted. True financial success comes from building long-term wealth. Profit maximization. It's all about maximizing profits in the short term, even if it means sacrificing long-term growth or sustainability. Wealth maximization. This takes a longer-term approach. It considers factors like risk management, inflation, and the time value of money to build lasting wealth. Think of it like this. Profit maximization is like sprinting. You might get a quick burst of speed, but you'll get tired quickly. Wealth maximization is like running a marathon. You pace yourself, make strategic decisions, and ultimately reach the finish line with greater endurance. Always aim for sustainable long-term growth. It's about making your money work for you, not just chasing quick wins that might not last. Decoding financial markets, it's not rocket science. Financial markets can seem intimidating, but they're really just platforms where buyers and sellers come together to trade assets. Let's demystify some key concepts. Debt versus equity. Debt is when you borrow money and promise to pay it back with interest, like a loan. Equity is when you own a piece of something, like a stock in a company. Money versus capital. Money markets involve short-term credit trading with a duration of less than 1 year, like treasury bills, commercial papers, and certificates of deposit. Capital markets involve long-term credit trading with a duration of more than 1 year, which you can use to generate more wealth, like common stocks, preferred stocks, bonds, and long-term securities. Primary versus secondary markets. In primary markets, companies issue new securities to raise capital directly from investors. In secondary markets, like the stock market, investors buy and sell existing securities among themselves. Understanding these basic concepts helps you navigate the financial markets with confidence and make informed investment decisions. The agency problem when your interests don't align. The agency problem arises when the interests of someone making decisions on your behalf, the agent, don't align with your best interests, the principal. This often happens in the corporate world. For example, imagine a CEO making decisions that prioritize their bonuses over the long-term value of the company for shareholders. Another example is that managers expanding operations to boost their status harms shareholder value. That's the agency problem in action. So what can you do? Stay informed, actively participate in shareholder meetings, and stay updated on company performance. Align incentives. Encourage companies to tie executive compensation to long-term value creation for shareholders. Demand transparency. Hold companies accountable for their actions, and demand transparency in their financial reporting. By understanding and addressing the agency problem, you can protect your investments and ensure that your interests are always represented. Take charge of your financial destiny. You got this. Congratulations. You've taken a crash course in financial management. We covered the basics of finance, explored different business structures, demystified financial markets, and even tackled the agency problem. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and never be afraid to seek help from financial professionals when needed. The power to achieve financial freedom is in your hands. Make smart choices, invest wisely, and watch your financial dreams become reality. You got this.